Hello everybody! In this video I'm gonna show how to renew templates in the version 7.0. It's an LTS version and we know like every week a new templates can come out, and then this tutorial is just right for you if you want to always be in a loop to check like what's new available officially from vendor. Then stay tuned here and follow my lead. And this project is based on not based but I'm sharing this solution with you. The project is available on the GitHub. The way how to use it, so that's the point why I'm making this video. To use it, like there will be a link somewhere in the description, this one, and we need to open the terminal. This is the terminal which is on the front-end server, so I'm connected to the server which is actually serving the Zabbix graphical interface. It's handy because the speed of API calls will be the best if we like contact the local server. Right now I will like download this GitHub archive, and I think I made a mistake here. We need to use the zip file here. This one, copy, and widget again, and now it's the zip file, and then unzip main. Here you go, the project files, and now like we have the directory here like with bunch of files. So the whole idea, the script is based on the PHP and it's based on the bash. This time I do have version PHP 8.1. I'm quite sure this script will work with the PHP 8.2 or 8.0. And we need to have a dedicated user and also a nice API token which will be used to satisfy this script. Right now I will visit the user interface, go to the users, click users, create a user like which will be called like renew, and password does not matter, but I need to fulfill this field. And what matters is the user role must be like very powerful. Like if you want to import new templates or override templates, we have to have like ideally a super admin role. And that's it. Like this is a dedicated user. You can also set it to the group like no front end. Where is it? Like no access to the front end, just to play it more safe. Okay, dedicated user is ready. Now API tokens, create API token. I will call it again like renew templates, something like that. This will be linked to that new user. Click, and like expiring for a few years or onward, and that's it. Like add, and now I have the token, and this token must be placed somewhere inside the file system. Here I will clear the screen. If we check like the script, there is two arguments here, session ID and where the API endpoint is located, and I'm storing that outside from the script, so I don't share my session token with the world in the GitHub. That's my preference. And I need to satisfy this authentication here, and to do so like copy the session key here in the clipboard, and now like echo session key and forward it to this file which is placed inside the home directory like this. Okay, and if I put that on screen right now, it's like this is the session token which is like valid for 5 years in my case right now. The other argument, like where is the front-end URL, and like we should copy really what is the URL here. This is my URL. I'm copying without the last forward slash, and installing this one, echo something like this, forward to the other argument, which is I did mix up the files. The URL is this, and the other one, the token, must be stored in the file which is called authentication. So this one. Okay. In summary, like if I print here the session URL, so this is where my front end is located, and this is the token which will be used to renew the templates. Okay, so how it works now, closing here and visiting the templates section. So what this script is doing, we have a vendor field, Zabbix. So these are all official templates coming from the Zabbix, and one way how to go with the new templates is we can visit this repository. Here there is a catalog. We can open here release.70, click, and here is the templates, and you can manually download one by one. And yeah, this script is kind of like bulk importing everything which we see here, and this catalog gets updated all the time. Yeah. Okay, what it does not do, or what's the chance of the failure? And there is a chance of failing to import, and that is if you are coming from a very old instance like Zabbix 5.0. The problem there is, like here on screen, I'm showing let's 5.0 instance. Here on screen, I'm showing 5.0 instance, and if we visit the templates, we see for example, when opening the catalog network devices apply, a lot of modularity is going on. Like this is the parent object, this is the child object, and so on. And this is the reason why my script will fail if you have a lot of modularity going on. But if you still see yourself maybe using that in the future, then one workaround what to do is we can open these templates and kind of destroy the modularity by unlinking those modules. So it's every template is very standalone. If you can do that manually, then my script will not fail anymore, and you can really upgrade the full bundle with the very stock official templates from the 7.0. So yeah, that's the some tip. It's not ideal if you deployed Zabbix starting from version 6.4, then it will work perfectly fine. But if you use already for a very long time, that modularity can cause trouble. Okay, so right now I have 4 templates here in the instance. And to demonstrate how it works, inside this directory, the magic is made by this delete missing, and it's like using the normal configuration import method with a lot of checkboxes, very similar as we click this button import. We have also here a lot of checkboxes. So that's how the sauce is made. And then the wrapper script, this refresh stock, that is the bash wrapper, which needs internet access, and it will reach out to the internet and download the source from the GitHub, the official one from the vendor, and start to import the templates. So let's execute it right now. Refresh stock. It's now downloading that zip archive from the 7.0. Extracting, and then now it's running, it's importing these templates in real time. If I visit the front end section and hit apply, refreshing the page, all the stock templates is coming in right now. It's I don't see my face is on the screen, but there on the bottom of page there is a number. If I refresh again, click, and more templates is coming in. And this will also take care of media types. We have on the left panel somewhere alerts, media types. These guys also will get imported from the very stock version. I personally always try to use a clone. So it's no danger to lose the history. Let's say if I want to use this one, Apache by HTTP, I would always like hit the clone and set something like mod, and always use those like a clone of the template. So this script can be reusable later with the 7.2, 7.4, 8.0, and you can always keep very close all the official templates. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find it useful, give it a thumbs up, and goodbye.